Hi everyone, I'm Linda Canasi with some tips and inspiration on ways to use my Tropicool Leaves card front die. I designed this die with a straight crease edge, which allows it to be placed on a fold to create a card front. Start with a piece of cardstock cut to 8.5 inches by 5.5 inches. Lightly draw a line at 4.25 inches. Place a straight edge of the die along the mark. Run it through your big shot machine, fold and embellish. There are so many different ways this die can be used. With the versatile crease edge, you can use it to die cut overlapping leaves on two sides of a 12-inch wide piece of cardstock. Mark crease lines at 3 3/8 inches and 8 5/8 inches. Place the straight edge of the die on the crease line. Die cut one side, rotate, and die cut the other side. This technique creates an interlocking card front. For another trifold card design, start with a piece of 12-inch wide cardstock and mark the crease lines at 3.5 inches and 7 3/4 inches. Align the die so that the leaves are on the far right and position the top cutting pad to avoid the crease line completely. This creates an overlap that allows a layer of background paper to peek through when folded. And for a totally different way to use this die cut the leaves out of a non-tear surface to use as a stencil. I used distress inks to color the background on this tag and finished with pieces from other dies and stamps in my collection. This Tropicool Leaves card front die is so versatile. Even the leaves that fall out of the card front can be used as embellishments. Plus, the set includes a flower and phrases for more ways to embellish your project. Enjoy the creative possibilities with my Tropicool Leaves card front by Sizzix.